Hello, a couple of days ago I did my first review on my fridge potato experiment. The potato we revealed was Pentland Javelin, and Pentland Javelin threw us 1¼ pound of potatoes. Since then we've wiped the slate clean, as you can see. Pentland Javelin is history. In fact, we've eaten all those potatoes, so now we need to take some more potatoes. So we've got 4 pots left. Rocket, Marispard, Winston and Home Guard. Can you come over here, Molly, please? Thank you. I think you can see them all now. Rocket, Marispard, Home Guard and Winston. If you've just joined us, you've missed the show of hands, you'll be glad to know that. So we've taken a vote, and we're actually going to drop 2 pots of potatoes today. We're going to drop Rocket and we're going to drop Home Guard. So I'll put the other 2 to one side, and then we'll drop this Rocket and Home Guard in the wheelbarrow. Okay, which one we're going to do first, Molly? Rocket or Home Guard? Any preferences? Molly doesn't care. Okay, we'll put the Home Guard to one side, we'll do Rocket first. Okay. So, these sweet potatoes spent about 4 months in the fridge indoors before I planted them. So we're at the back end of September now, beginning of October. Who else do you know that's lifting early potatoes? Anybody? Or is there only me daft enough to try this? Well, I've tried it, it's an experiment, let's see if it worked. This is Rocket. Okay, we're starting to get a couple of potatoes now. I think that's all we're going to get. Well, that is a complete disaster. Complete. We're not even going to weigh those, are we? We're going to say that Rocket delivered nothing. Now we'll do Home Guard. Let's see if Home Guard can do any better than that. Did you find any, Molly, while I was away? Was there any in there? Oh. Okay, Rocket was a dud. Or as we would say at this neck of the woods, Rocket was a damp squib. Right, Home Guard. I've rolled my sleeves up in expectation. Hey, no, I'll tell you what, let's have another fish through here, come on. See if there is anything. Well, that is that, right. One guard. Well, that's going to let us down as well with a look at this. Rubbish, rubbish. Well, if we're going to do gardening videos, we've got to show you the fails as well as the successes. Wow, Molly. Let's have a look. Just a few teachers here. Well, we're not going to be doing away, and that's a certainty. What were the two we had left? What were the two pots we had left? Marisbard and Winston. Well, Winston's been a good cropper, so I'll tell you what, we're going to drop the other two. What's the point in leaving it? If that's all we're going to get, what's the point? Right, stuff it. Marisbard next. Right, excuse me, Mo. 2 pots, 2 fails. See if Marisbard can deliver. Size of that worm there looks like a python. Well, if nothing else, it'll give me a chance to get these pots cleaned for next year. Woo, look at him. He's a python. Oh, hello. Actually, this compost is very wet, and it's very wet because these guys stand outdoors, and once the potato stops growing, it's still getting watered by the rain, isn't it? So it's getting water into the pot that it doesn't actually need. But there's no way around that. If you're growing everything outdoors, you take what the weather throws at you, and if it throws rubbish at you, you take rubbish. Am I right? And we've had quite a bit of rain lately, and these guys had stopped growing. So the pots were getting wetter and wetter, and there was no potatoes in there to take it up. Well, that is bad, look at that. Oh, come on, Winston. Come on, Winston! Hopeless. We won't be doing this next. If Winston doesn't deliver, we will not be doing this next year. In fact, even if Winston delivers, we might not be doing this next year. Okay, here's Winston. Hey Molly, I think I've got one for you. It's over. Oh no, it's not a very good one. We'll find a better one for you in a minute, Molly. Hold on. Well, let's hope we can find a better one for you. No, that was just a stone, Molly. You don't want that. Right. Ho ho, Winston! Come on! Now, it may actually be that some of these potatoes don't store well in a fridge and don't give good results after they've been in a fridge. It may be that Winston does. Fingers crossed. Come on, pull for me. Come on, Winston, give me something. Give me something that makes this video worthwhile. Oh yes, hey. Get out there, that. I've only got one decent potato and you want to eat it. Oh, another one. Oh, we're doing this again next year. It might be just with Winston. Hold on, Bob. Oh, crikey. Suffering catfish. Oh, who said this didn't? Oh, hey! Who said this didn't work? Look at the size as big as Molly's head. Oh, crikey, turn the volume down. I'm getting excited. Oh, Bob, hey, I'll tell you what, we'll do a weighing with this Winston. I've just about given up on weighings. Yes, we can. But we'll do a weighing with this Winston. Right, hold on. That's it, right. So, there's Winston. What I'll do is, I'll need to nip indoors for the scales here. These guys are in the middle of the barrow, and I don't think Molly can reach those. So I'm not putting her on trust, and there is some temptation here, but I don't think she can reach. What do you think? Should I cover them up? Or just leave them? We'll leave them like that. You keep an eye on Molly. I'm going for the scales. Molly, don't you touch those potatoes. Okay, we've got the scales. That looks to be about right, Molly. I don't think you've touched any of them, have you? I don't think you have. Right. Pull these over there. You stop there. You need to come round here. Hold on. Pop these. Something like this. Okay. Let's see what these scales look like. See if we need to adjust that camera. Hold on. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, Anna. I've got them zeroed. And one thing that is worth remembering here, that pot is already delivered this year, hasn't it? Didn't I wait? I took the early potatoes out, the proper early potatoes, and then I sowed these guys. And that's why I'm only lifting them now. So this pot is already delivered, and I would guess it's probably delivered, certainly if it had Winston in it, it's possibly delivered a couple of pound already, this pot. So this is a bonus, really. I mean, if I hadn't have done this pot would have stayed empty. Apart from the fact I'm sowing leeks and celery and all kinds in pots now. As soon as the earlies come out, I'm giving them a go. Okay, I think this will be, when I put this big guy on last, I'm going to put this big guy on last. I can't say that these scales, I'm going to go for 2 1/4 pound. Is it possible? 2 1/4 pound from one potato in a 10-inch pot in September. September early potatoes. Let's have a look more. What did I say? 2 1/4. Oh, get on! That's a good 2 1/4. It's nearly 2 1/2. Wait till I press these scales down, see if I can't fiddle it. Has it gone to 2 1/2 yet? Needs a bit more. Get on there, come on, 2 1/2. No, I can't get it. Okay. 2 1/4 pound. Whoa, that nearly rolled off. I did. Hey! Whoa! Oh, Molly lass, what a lass. Right, Hold on, there's definitely one for you. £2.25. How's that looking? I had to be quick there, I'll tell you. Right, we'll go round here. Come on, Molly, you know you get one. There you go, sweetheart. One for you. Have you got it? Yeah, Molly got that one. And Molly got that one. And we've got these ones. And we're much happier now. Much happier. Okay, this is homegrown veg. Ending my potatoes in a fridge experiment with a good pot. And we may just have a go at this again next year. In fact, I'm fairly sure we will now we've got this. Homegrown veg, signing out. Ooh, Molly, they're falling everywhere.